Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video on Cycle Fanatics. I got a bunch of noise going on here. I'm actually doing my neighbor's roof. My dump truck is right there. I have the Silverado diesel right there. And we're actually going to be doing some dirt biking, taking the kids out dirt biking tomorrow up in New York State. But awesome video today because I finally received all the items that I've been waiting for. So I received my Legend Axios front cartridges. Thank you so much, Mary. I'm going to do an unboxing video in a couple days and then bringing it over to JD Cycle Works in Nazareth, Pennsylvania to get it installed. Also going to be doing a full oil change, primary and transmission fluid change. You're going to want to stay tuned for that video as well because we're going to be using a different fluid to try to take away that clunkiness out of that damn transmission. And I'll show you guys how to do that. But before we dive into this video, do me a favor, guys, click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out a lot. And click that bell so this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. All right, guys, so let's dive into this video. So like I said, I have the Legend Axios cartridges. They came in. Also, Factory 47, it finally arrived. They sent me a pair of free signature black 14-inch Rise handlebars. Thank you so much, Andrew. Really do appreciate it. I'm going to do an unboxing video on that. Those bars I'm saving. That's going to be for the bike build series. But I'm going to do a full unboxing and a review on those bars, which I love. Factory 47. I only use them on all my Harleys that I've ever had. I just think they're absolute high quality handlebars, 1.5 inch, beautiful finish on them, just love them. But today, this video are the two pieces that I've been waiting for quite some time for the back of the bike to kind of finish off the look. And I think it's gonna look absolutely insane. So let me show you guys two boxes that I have that came in here. Suicide Choppers, okay? Sioux City, Iowa, right there. And thank you, big shout out to Mike over at Suicide Choppers for hooking me up, helping me out with these components for the back. They make fantastic items for Harleys, backrest, sissy bars, cargo racks. Just absolute high quality, built right here in the US of A. So check them out, Suicide Choppers. I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description to their website, everything else that you guys need to check them out. A bunch of guys that we actually ride with have these components on their bikes, and it just sick. Beautiful. So anyway, let me show you guys what I have, and let me show you guys what they wrote on the box. So it's Suicide Choppers. This is actually United States Air Force. This is actually the cargo rack. It says USAF, United States Air Force, on the back. Awesome. And this is actually a 16-inch Excalibur sissy bar, black, in 1.5 inch to match the Factory 47 bars that I have, with a pad. So it's gonna be 16 high inch sissy bar, Excalibur pad with the cargo rack. Can't wait. And this is what they wrote on the box. We love our vets, hell yeah. Thank you from us here at Suicide Choppers. Brother, thank you so much. Mike, I really do appreciate it. I can't wait to open up this box. So let me open up these boxes, show you guys what's inside. I can't wait. Let me pull out the bike and let's get started installing it, and I'll show you guys how it all looks. going on. I got a falcon making noise. I got roofers nailing shingles. Look at this. Whoa. Look at that. 1.5 inches to match the diameter of the handlebars. Look at that. That looks awesome. Christmas time. Ooh. Wow. Let me tell you, I don't know where to start. I knew it was going to look good, but I didn't think it was going to look this good. This Suicide Choppers 16-inch Excalibur sissy bar. I'm going to show you guys in a second. And United States Air Force cargo rack. This bike looks so good now. I think it's finished off. I love how it looks. It looks sinister. Almost looks like Dracula should be riding this bike. So let me show you guys the bike, because I swear I think it looks awesome. I think it just finishes it off. The whole entire bike, because the front of the bike is big, and now the back, it just finishes it off. So let me show you guys the bike.
I drove around all across the land.
All right, guys, so hope you guys like how this looks. I just love it. I think it finishes it off. The whole bike just finishes it off really nice. I have I have the sissy bar on the back now that I can actually mount a big bag for long trips to this sissy bar, as well as a cargo rack to mount another bag and my bags. This way we could go on long trips. I can't wait to use this. I love how it looks. And let me tell you, the fit and finish of these products are perfect. Fitment is perfect. The paint is perfect. Everything about it is just perfect. High quality. Check them out. Suicide Choppers. Talk to Mike. And let me tell you, if you guys, they have a whole bunch of other products. The quality is absolutely fantastic. Awesome company to deal with as well. So yeah, check them out. But look at that. I mean, that looks badass. So as far as aesthetics on the bike, I think I'm pretty much done with the looks of the bike. The only thing now, I have the Legends Axios cartridges that are gonna go in a couple days, so stay tuned for that. I have the Factory 47 Signature Black 14-inch bars like I have on there now. They're actually in my truck. Thanks, Andrew, for hooking me up. They're gonna go on a build series. I'm gonna do an unboxing video about them because I think they make the best handlebars, bar none. I don't know, let me know what you guys think about how the bike looks up in the comments. Definitely check them out. Suicide Choppers make a whole bunch of different products, different heights, chrome, black, different cargo racks with different insignias inside of them. And I believe, I hope I'm not wrong, but I believe you could actually get a custom logo put in the cargo rack. I think somebody told me that, but I could be wrong. But anyway, stay tuned. We're actually going to be doing tomorrow. We're not going to be doing a ride, but I actually am going to be doing a video. We're going to be going dirt bike riding tomorrow, and I have the unboxing video, Legends unboxing video, Factory 47 unboxing video, and I have an awesome video for you guys next week. I think I finalized 2 things as far as the build series motorcycle that we're gonna get, and the new addition to the channel, another motorcycle, and you're definitely gonna want to stick around for that because it is beast. You think this thing is beast mode? Wait until you see what I'm gonna show you next week. All right, guys, so anyway, stay tuned. I just want to tell you guys how much I appreciate every single one of you guys for supporting me, supporting the channel. And listen, guys, I try to get to every comment. I'm gonna maybe go into them tomorrow and try to answer your questions and the comments. Just been really busy, a lot of comments, so just be patient. I'll definitely get to them. But other than that, oh, we also have the another video coming up as far as who won the TPMS and the tracker, so stay tuned for that. And those of you guys that are waiting still on some apparel that about the wrap guests, it's on its way. I had to order some more and different sizes for you big guys, so so you know, just hang tight, it's all coming. But anyway, thanks so much, guys. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Click that bell. This way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. And we'll see you guys on the next video on Cycle Fanatics. Take care, guys. So to finalize this, we got to put a Suicide Chopper sticker inside the bags.